Greetings, fellow seekers of financial empowerment. Your guide through the labyrinth of prosperity. Welcome to another enriching episode of WealthWise Academy. If you harbor dreams of unlocking an extra stream of income that could potentially swell your coffers by a few $1,000s each month, then you've set anchor at the right harbor. Today, we're delving into a treasure trove of ingenious business ideas that can ignite your financial voyage. The best part? These opportunities don't demand a substantial startup fund, extensive training, or a crystal ball for success. Before we unfurl these money-making strategies, a humble request. Embark on this expedition of financial enlightenment by subscribing to our channel and bestowing your approval upon this video. Now, let's embark on this enlightening journey. Car detailing. Drive toward profit. Picture this. A shimmering lineup of automobiles, each awaiting your magical touch. Car detailing isn't just about cleansing grime, it's about polishing potential profits. The modern era's hectic pace often leaves car owners yearning for gleaming vehicles but with scant time to make it happen. Here enters the hero. You, the car detailing entrepreneur. Whether from the comfort of your garage or a mobile unit, you can provide meticulous cleaning that even automated car washers can't match. The best part? Your earning potential zooms as you offer add-ons and upgrades. A spotless car and a fatter wallet? That's the road to financial success. Home cleaning, sweep in success. Let's venture into the realm of pristine abodes, where diligent hands craft cleanliness and cash flows. House cleaning isn't just about tidying up, it's about becoming a beacon of relief for busy families and senior citizens alike. Your knack for scrubbing, sweeping, and sprucing transforms into valuable currency. Working professionals yearn for more hours in a day, while seniors often seek a helping hand in maintaining their living spaces. And let's not forget the burgeoning market of Airbnb and vacation property owners in need of impeccable lodgings for their guests. As you step into this space, you wield more than just a mop. You wield a key to financial well-being. Social media mastery, a digital goldmine. Now, let's journey into the digital domain, where businesses battle for online supremacy. Picture a realm where entrepreneurs are eager to harness the power of social media, but lack the digital finesse to do so. This is where your expertise as a social media marketer shines. Aided by your digital dexterity, you help businesses transform their online presence, reaching new and loyal clients alike. An online haven awaits entrepreneurs, especially those who embrace the digital realm. With a laptop and your wisdom, you're not just crafting posts, you're crafting financial prosperity. Capturing moments, captivating profits, the click of a shutter, the play of light. Photography has an alchemical power to turn moments into money. Enter the world of professional photography, where your lens doesn't just capture images, it captures clients' attention. Imagine the impact of high-quality real estate photos that facilitate rapid property sales. Or envision capturing products in their best light for e-commerce success. A keen eye, a camera, and the knack for editing. These are your tools to not only capture memories but also secure your financial future. Pet services, positively profitable, are the companionship of furry friends, the world's most heartwarming currency. The pet service industry has evolved into a veritable goldmine, offering avenues for those who adore four-legged companions. Pet owners yearn for top-notch care, whether in their absence or due to constraints. Enter the pet sitter and walker, a guardian angel for pets left home alone. These roles are not just about walks and feedings, they're about creating joy, trust, and financial stability. From bounding with pups to pampering kitties, you're embarking on a path that promises wagging tails and burgeoning bank accounts. Personal assistance. Enriching lives, enriching pockets, a realm where helping hands lead to hefty earnings. Welcome to the world of personal assistance. The demands of modern life have ignited a hunger for support, whether it's assisting the elderly or aiding overwhelmed families. With empathy, efficiency, and a willingness to tackle tasks, you can step in as a beacon of relief. Grocery shopping, chauffeuring, managing schedules. Your contributions ease the burdens of others and swell your own wealth. By offering your expertise, you're not just checking off to-do lists, you're checking off steps toward financial success. Pressure washing, clean finances, clean surfaces. As we venture into the power-washed realm of financial growth, we find ourselves faced with the opportunities presented by pressure washing. Imagine wielding a force that doesn't just cleanse surfaces but also cleanses your financial outlook. From residential exteriors to commercial properties, your high-pressure expertise transforms grimy landscapes into lucrative territory. Whether it's brightening up homes or revitalizing commercial spaces, each stream of water you unleash doesn't just cleanse, it also brings forth the flow of prosperity. And there you have it, fellow financial explorers. As the tapestry of possibilities unfurls before you, consider the myriad paths that lead to financial abundance. From car detailing to personal assistance, each venture we explored holds the potential to not only pad your pockets but also steer you toward a horizon painted with possibilities. Remember, these ventures can start as side businesses but might just evolve into full-time pursuits. As we conclude this enlightening voyage, I beseech you to anchor your journey with a subscription to our channel and a thumbs up for this video. Farewell, intrepid learners, and may your journey be ever prosperous.